Hello friends, this is me Zahid Hussain. Our computer embroidery designing complete course on Wilcom software is continue, and in this video you will learn about the tool of Motif fill. And I want to tell you in the beginning of this video that if you are watching this video first time on YouTube or any other website, so for complete course you can visit our website computerhole.blogspot.com. So now in this video our topic is Motif fill tool. In the previous video we have learned about the tool of Motif run. The difference of this tool Motif fill and Motif run is only that we can use this tool Motif run in the selection of a line, like for example if I make this object with Motif run, so it will be made like this. For example, I am starting from here and this filling will be made in a line. Now I have to give them the size. For example, I am giving them this size. Enter. So you can see that we have make this object with Motif run tool. So this is the effect of this object. Now we can change its pattern or its motif. For example, I am changing him this effect with the heart pattern or heart motif. So this is the effect of Motif run tool. Now I drag here. Now we will make this object with Motif fill tool. We have to use this tool with complex fill. We also use this tool with complex fill only. So now we will make this object with Motif fill tool. Now I am starting from here. It will make by filling the object. It will not only apply on the lines, it will make filling completely fill the objects. Starting point, ending point. So you can see the difference between them. This is the effect of Motif run tool. It will only apply on the lines only, but the Motif fill tool will be make in the complete filling. We can change its motif or its pattern. For example, I am giving him this, any other. Now for your better learning, for example, I am making a rectangle. And drag him here. Now I will make him with Motif run tool and enter. So you can see that this is the effect of Motif run tool. It will only apply on the lines only, but now we will make this rectangle with Motif fill tool, not with Motif run tool. Now we will make this Motif fill tool, complex fill, and we are using, now you can see that we are using Motif fill tool. On this object. Entry point, exit point, and this is the effect of Motif fill tool. So this is the difference of Motif fill tool and Motif run tool. I hope you have learned this subject completely. If I change its effect same like this, so you can see the difference between them. This is the effect of motif run tool, motif run tool, and this is the effect of motif fill tool. So in this way we can use motif fill tool. So now our topic has completed. For all types of new updates you can subscribe our YouTube channel and like our Facebook page. Inshallah Aziz, we will meet again in next video. Goodbye. Allah Hafiz.